So we have our ladder set up on the roof, and I'll show you later how I did it. But it's up there. I can go all the way to the top now. Just have to be careful. But the first task is I went up on the roof without my harness just to look it over. It's not super steep, so I was able to do it carefully. But when I got up there, I looked at my other tie-off from last year. It's great for doing the other side of the roof, kind of that side over there. But for doing this side over here, where I need to work, it would be nice to have another tie-off. That would allow me to do this end and the road ends too, right up in there. Because this tie-off would come like this way, towards this side where I'm standing now. So I'm going to go up there. I need to remove some shingles, put my gloves on, because shingles are hard on your fingers, so wear gloves. I'm going to remove some shingles, remove enough that I can get this strip. Oh, and at the same time, I am going to harness up. I just feel more comfortable harnessing up, so I'm going to harness up and tie off to the other spot as soon as I get onto the roof. And then maybe I'll, then I'll remove the shingles. When I'm ready, I'll just put this up on the roof and come back and get it. So I don't have everything up there at one time. I need to remove about 2 feet of space. And I need to have it so I can hit some really solid wood. Now the way this house is constructed, you have some pretty big pieces coming down through on the edges of the roof. So that's where this is going to go. I just need to, I figured it out on the other side, so I'm sure I can figure it out here. And get like, I don't even know, 12 or more screws, 2 to 3.5 inches in there. Longer if I can drive them in. But really get this thing secure so it cannot move. And then on the other side, what I did was I did the roofing such that all this, you couldn't get any leakage, but also so that this stuck out. So at any point in time, I can lift this up, clamp or tie off to it, and continue working on the roof. So very important. I can't remember what these are called, tie-off brackets, but they're a good thick piece of metal. I don't know if they're plated. They're plated with something to probably decrease the rust, and you can see all the different warnings here. But I did buy 2 packs of these, so this will be the second one I'll be putting on this roof. And you put them on to stay. So put them on good. Make sure you don't have a leak area. Have some flashing coming over top of this, and get it so it's secure. I think I even put some metal underneath. I can't remember what I did. Somehow you have to make this water, so it's going to shed water nicely. Maybe when I get it up there and get ready, I can take my phone up and get another video. But I'm going to get removing, go up and tie off, and start getting my tie off in place. My second one.